Now you can bring your Figma designs to reality using UiChemy. UiChemy is an amazing Figma plugin using which you can convert your Figma designs into a live Elementor website, and these are 100% editable. You can download the plugin from the official plugin repository of Figma, or you can download from the backend. So let's see how you can activate UiChemy in your Figma dashboard. Step 1. Click on Resources and search for UiChemy. You'll find this here. You can check for the details and click on Run. This will start the UiChemy and you will see this window here. This will ask for a serial key, which you can easily get by clicking on this button. So let's click on this. This will redirect you to a checkout page, but don't worry, you won't be charged anything. The key is completely free. You can click on free download to get your serial key. So here we have the details. I'll copy the serial key from my dashboard and paste it here and click Activate. So now UiChemy is ready. There are multiple ways to use UiChemy. Starting from the scratch is one of the basic case where you just follow the design guidelines listed in your documentation, which you can easily go find it from resources and go to documentation. Here you will find a dedicated category for design guidelines. We highly recommend you to just go through each one of them to ensure that you are making the right design layout. As you can see that we have mentioned all the things like auto layout so that the Elementor converted website is 100% right. The next method you can use is the pre-built templates provided in the UiChemy setting. So you will have some templates here which you can use as your jumpstart to create your design, and these sections are already tagged. Tagging is an easy way to ensure that the right widget are being imported. So for example, this can be imported as individual images as well as gallery. You can also make each one of them as video, and that's where tagging plays a key role. So tagging each one of the widgets here, it will make it easier for you to convert into an Elementor widget. The third use case which a lot of you might like is where you can convert the popular templates which you find on Elementor. As you can see, there's a lot of templates here, or Untitled.ui where you have multiple Figma designs, or the popular UF start. So these are some libraries where you get pre-built website layouts which you can import in Figma and follow the right design guidelines and make it into your finished website. Now let's convert a Figma design into an Elementor website. So as you can see that we have a section design here or a page, and all of them have the tagging. So I'll just pick to show you the tagging. Let me click on the page. As you can see, here we have the button and all the things are assigned. Icon boxes, images, and they are all assigned so that they convert into a finished website. So tagging is just like assigning each and every section the dedicated Elementor widget. So how do you transfer this to Elementor? You can come to Convert and you will find this button called Convert to Elementor. As of now, we are only supporting Elementor, but very soon we'll be having the Gutenberg version like this, the default block editor as well. Before we convert, let's look at the option. So here you will find that download without images. So for example, if you have a heavy website with multiple images, then import of such Figma files can cause timeout if you have a shared or limited memory limit. So in that case, you can export without the images. But generally we recommend that you can go with this mode where we are using the default Figma function of scaling the images into at the scale of 1. We will make a dedicated video explaining all the options, so make sure you check that. Now let's click on Convert to Elementor. So here there are two ways you can convert to Elementor, one of which is like downloading the direct import JSON file, or you can directly import this in your WordPress website. So as you can see that there is a token and the URL. So let me just show you how you can connect it with your WordPress site. You will be redirected to this page and you have to just download this plugin. So you can click on download. We have a zip file here. We'll install this on our WordPress website. Let's go to plugins, add new, upload, and let's upload this file. Alright, so the plugin is activated, and let's go to UiChemy and let's have the site URL. Let's paste the site URL and the security token. So this will check for the connection and all good. So now let's click on preview and this will upload the JSON file in your website, and let's open this. Alright, so now as you can see that the website is directly imported in your Elementor website. Make sure before import, we highly encourage to ensure a few things. That is, if you are using an older version of Elementor, so please ensure that the flag box is activated, and so you can just go to features and ensure that your flag box is activated from here. This is set to active. And the next thing which you want to ensure is the SVG upload or the safe upload is activated. So just go to enable unfiltered file upload and make sure this is set to enable, and that's it. And now you can ensure that you have the perfect imported website. We support the new latest Elementor Flexbox container, so all our designs are imported in Elementor. So now let's go to the backend and see how it looks from the backend. So this is Node. Alright, so as you can see that each of my text has been already assigned the heading, the images, the icon boxes where the SVG icon is uploaded, and the text, the properties file, and the form as well. Like we have integration with the Elementor Pro as well. So as you can see that we had a basic form in the footer, which was our email sign up yield, and in the output, the form has also been imported in the live website. After the plugin method, here's the second way using which you can import the Figma design into Elementor website. Like after clicking the page, like normally which we do, you have to click on convert to Elementor. Okay, let's click on that. And rather than click on preview, we will click on download. So this download will download a JSON file which we have to import in our Elementor backend. So let's download this. So now we have a JSON file imported. Let's go to our Elementor website, templates, and we'll click on import templates. So let's click here, and here we will add our JSON file. So we'll add it here, import now. This will show a warning, but you can be sure that this is 100% safe. So let's continue. And this will take a few moments, and after that the template will be showing here. Alright, so we are seeing a page call here, and let's go and update this. So yes, this is the second method using which you can manually upload the JSON file in your Elementor backend. Here you don't have to make any installation, just importing the theme JSON will do the job. But you know, this method makes it much easier that when to directly see the design from the Figma backend to the Elementor website, as it syncs and sends the theme JSON directly into your website and imports the templates automatically. So this is how the powerful UiChemy works, which can help you convert your Figma designs into Elementor.